Hi everyone, and welcome to We Do Wellness. In today's fast-paced world, it can feel like there's never enough time in the day to accomplish everything on our to-do list. But here's the good news. By implementing a few effective time management strategies, you can take control of your schedule and become more productive without feeling overwhelmed. In this video, we're diving into 10 time management tips that are simple, practical, and highly effective. Whether you're a student, a busy professional, or someone looking to get the most out of every day, these tips will help you manage your time wisely and create space for what really matters. Ready to take charge of your time? Let's get started. At We Do Wellness, we believe that the first step to better time management is owning your time. That means taking full responsibility for how you spend your hours. Rather than blaming external factors or others, remind yourself that you're in control of your schedule. By acknowledging this, you empower yourself to make conscious choices about your priorities and how you use your time each day. This tip is all about learning to prioritize. Not every opportunity or task deserves your time. Use the hell yeah or no method. When deciding whether to commit to something, ask yourself if you're genuinely excited about it and if it aligns with your personal goals. If it's not a hell yeah, then it's a no. This approach can save you time and energy for the things that truly matter. Every morning, take a moment to identify your daily highlight. This is the most important task you want to complete that day. By tackling it first, you ensure you're making progress on what truly matters, even if the rest of your day doesn't go as planned. To-do lists are a time management classic, but here at We Do Wellness, we know the key is keeping them realistic. Avoid overwhelming yourself with too many tasks. Focus on 3 to 5 key priorities per day to stay organized without feeling discouraged. Time blocking is one of our favorite methods at We Do Wellness. By assigning specific time slots to your tasks, you stay focused and reduce the chance of getting sidetracked. Be sure to leave buffer time for unexpected interruptions or breaks. Parkinson's law teaches us that a task will expand to fill the time you give it. If you allow all day to complete a project, it'll likely take all day. Set shorter time limits for tasks, and you'll be amazed at how productive you can be in a focused time frame. Protected time is sacred. Block out specific periods in your day where you eliminate distractions like email and social media so you can fully focus on your most important work. Even an hour of uninterrupted focus can lead to incredible results. At We Do Wellness, we encourage you to let go of the myth that you have to do it all yourself. If there's something on your plate that someone else can handle, delegate it. This frees up your time for higher priority tasks. Tip 9. Automate where you can. Why do it manually when technology can do it for you? Automating tasks like scheduling meetings or sending reminders can save you valuable time. Tools like calendar apps and project management software can help you stay organized effortlessly. Tip 10. Review and reflect. Finally, take time each week to review and reflect. Ask yourself, what worked well, what didn't? By regularly evaluating your time management strategies, you'll uncover what needs adjusting and continuously improve your productivity. Thank you for watching this video on time management tips brought to you by We Do Wellness. We hope you found these strategies helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more wellness and productivity content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Which time management tip resonated with you the most? Share it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you'd like a deeper dive into any of these tips or have specific questions about time management, leave a comment below. And remember, at We Do Wellness, your journey to a balanced and productive life starts here.